Welcome to our Detective Mascot YouTube channel, where we challenge your mind with the most exciting riddles, puzzles, and mind games. Each episode, we'll present you with a variety of puzzles and riddles that will test your problem-solving skills, memory, creativity, and logic. So, are you ready to put your mind to the test? Let's get started. Rohit received a call that a lot of people in a nearby village were dying. The air around the village was very polluted, which caused the deaths. Rohit decided to visit the village. On reaching the village, Rohit realized that there are factories which are causing this pollution. He visits 3 factories and analyzes them. Factory A, Factory B, Factory C. Can you look at these 3 factories and figure out which one of them is causing the pollution? A, B, C? Factory A has many trees and flowers surrounding it, and Factory B looks closed. But Factory C has dead trees around it. It might be causing the pollution. Did you figure it out? Congratulations if you did. And don't worry if you didn't. This was a tricky puzzle. The important thing is to keep your mind sharp and always be curious. A very expensive watch was stolen from Ken in the hotel lobby. Detective Raman was in the hotel at the time. Ken asks him for help, and Raman finds 3 suspects.
Raya, I was sleeping since morning. The knock on the door woke me up.
Ryu,
I was watching TV in my room. I have not been out of my room today.
Rowan,
I went to the swimming pool today. I don't con anything.
which one of these 3 is lying? Raya, Ryu, Rowan. Raya said that she just woke up, but her bed was perfectly set. How is that possible? She is lying. Rowan noticed the thief in front of his house. He started chasing the thief. After a while, Rowan came in front of 3 roads. Can you decide which road did the thief take to run away? Hard, medium, easy. You have only 10 seconds. Road hard is muddy, and the thief would have left footprints on it. Road easy has CCTV camera on it. The thief won't risk being caught, so he took road medium and Rowan caught him. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more detective videos and mind puzzles. See you in the next video.